From the heart of South Korea to roads across the world, Parts Mall has become a trusted name in the automotive industry, built on quality, innovation, and reliability. Parts Mall continues to deliver premium automotive parts trusted by distributors, workshops, and drivers worldwide. Our products are manufactured to meet high international standards, ensuring durability, performance, and reliability you can trust. What started in Korea has grown into a global automotive brand, importing and exporting over 70 countries worldwide. As demand for trusted automotive solutions continues to grow, Parts Mall has proudly expanded its footprint across Africa. Today, Parts Mall proudly operates over 40 branches across South Africa and Africa, and we continue to grow stronger every year.
Welcome to Parts Mall and Edenville.
Welcome to Parts Mall. Join us now.
Korea's #1 automotive parts supplier.